Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making ranch mac and cheese. I'm gonna use 1.5 cups of dry elbow macaroni, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 cups of milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ranch dressing powder, 2 cups of shredded cheese, and 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese. Start by cooking the macaroni. I boiled mine for 10 minutes and then I'm taking it out on the dish I'm going to bake it. Then at medium heat, add the butter to the pan and let it melt. Add the flour and then whisk together until both are well incorporated. Slowly add the milk and continue to whisk to avoid having any lumps. Continue to whisk for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's going to start to thicken up, and then add the ranch dressing powder and mix until it's well combined. After about 4 to 5 minutes, the mixture is thick enough, so turn off the heat and add the cheese and continue to whisk until all the cheese is melted and mixed into the sauce. Now that the sauce is ready, it's time to mix it with the macaroni. I like to add half of the sauce and mix it in, and then add the other half. You can see how creamy and cheesy this is. This is ready to eat right now, but I'd like to take it one step farther and sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top and bake it for about 20 minutes at 375 degrees so that it creates a yummy crust on top. So this is what it looks like after 20 minutes of baking. You can see it's nice and golden brown and it's bubbling up. So it's ready to be served. If you've never had mac and cheese, I highly recommend this recipe. This is nothing like what comes out of the box. And you can use any combination of cheese you like. I've made it with cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, Swiss cheese, and today I'm using a fiesta blend, which is Monterey Jack, cheddar, queso quesadilla, and asadero cheese all together, and it turned out delicious. My kids absolutely love it, and it's a great dish to have on hand now that they're going back to school. Refrigerate any leftovers for up to 5 days. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.